Hello YouTube. Uh, this is the 2020 Super Duke R um, problem part 2. But just to start with, we start from the beautiful Adirondack and back to the beast. So as many of you who've watched my previous video about this bike not starting, if you've watched the video before, the part 1 of this, and if not, I will encourage you to go to my page. I don't have a channel on Facebook, on YouTube. I'm just a regular guy. So this is the second part of the video. As mentioned, 2 weeks ago I picked up the bike from the dealership. I gave it to them around 5 weeks ago. It was with them for three weeks, and the purpose is because one day just woke up in the morning, got ready to ride, gear up, start the bike, nothing will happen. You press the ignition, you do everything you could do, and what, this bike won't start. So that was why we gave it back to the dealership, and they found the problem. The problem happens to be with the ignition key and I think it's the ECM, something like that. On the receipt, the receipt they gave me after the bike, after I pick up the bike, there were two part number on that receipt. When I looked them up online, they match with the 2018 and 2019 SDR. So the two of them, those 2 years, previous years of this, the second generation of SDR, use the same, I think is the ignition system with this bike, the two of them. So when I got that, when I started look up those parts on Google, the number perfectly match with 18 and 19 SDR. So and as many of you commented in the previous video, you've had the same problem. A gentleman from Australia mentioned that on his second gen STR. So I'm not sure, because the volume of the complaint is not sufficient enough. Sufficient, what I mean, in KTM standard, for them to record the all the bike in general, like they did the wiring harness at the tail, you know, the one inside this carbon fiber chassis cover, or whatever you might call it. I wish they would just recall the bike and fix this problem, so that you're not gonna have that problem while you're riding. Today make a year that I pick up this bike from KTM, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I've run into so many I wouldn't say problem, but some of the things that I probably did not like about the bike. But it took months sometimes for them to come up with the solution and fix it. But overall, I like the bike very much. Maybe in later updates, I will do 10 things that I like about the bike and 10 things that I don't like about the bike. If I can find up to 10 stuff that I don't like about the bike, which I'm very sure it's gonna be very hard to find. But yeah, so I'll link those part number on the in the description below. And as you can see, as of today, the bike has yeah, the tire pressure is low, I know that. Just give me a minute, please. All right, if you could pick it up. Yeah, the bike has 2,234 miles on it. That's what the bike has on it. And yeah, overall, I like the bike and I'm keeping it. Sorry, I'm not trading the bike in for any other bike as of this time. So I'll keep enjoying the bike. Um, if you like KTM, please keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Yeah, I think one last thing to do at this point in time, in order for me not to waste you guys this time more than it's necessary to waste. Let's start the bike. Just hear the bike, you know, talk. I switched it off mistakenly. Sorry about that. Thank you guys. If you have any question, let's make a discussion in the uh, discussion department or box after the video is posted. I'm not a professional anything. I'm just a normal guy that just like to ride this bike, and I hope you don't have problem with your bike. Mine officially is is off the factory warranty today, a year. And like I told my dealership, I hope the camaraderie we develop from here on will help me to sustain in keeping the bike instead of trading it in. I don't want problem with the bike. If it doesn't give me problem, I'll keep it because I love the way it ride, and I've changed a lot of stuff on it because I like the bike. So ride safe, guy. Enjoy your day. If it's weekday where you are, enjoy your weekday. If it's weekend, enjoy what we have left of it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.